What's up, guys? Just a little demonstrational video what I got going on out here. You know, the daily driver. We'll get to that monster and the project. But now, granted, this one right here, she is definitely a work in progress. But look at that. Look at how clean. 350 4-bolt main. Well, then you have this. And granted, this is a different car completely. Both of them sound good. Promise you that. Anyway, you know, Volkswagen did the 4K limited thing with the RPMs, but that's what I got.